Welcome to Uniquely Explained YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about New York City, the city which is dream of millions of people. New York City is a metropolis unlike any other, and a walking tour through its streets offers a living documentary, revealing its vibrant history, diverse cultures, and the stories etched into every corner. From the towering skyscrapers of Midtown Manhattan to the quaint cobblestone streets of the West Village, each step on a New York City walking tour is an immersive journey through time and space, capturing the soul of the city that never sleeps. Starting in the heart of Manhattan, Times Square is an explosion of lights, energy, and people. Known as the crossroads of the world, it embodies the essence of New York's dynamism. Neon advertisements blink relentlessly above the bustling crowd, and the area's rich history unfolds as you hear tales of its transformation from a horse carriage district in the late 19th century to the global entertainment hub it is today. Walking through the square, you pass iconic theaters that make up the Broadway district, where countless stars and productions have left their mark on the cultural landscape. From Times Square, the walk heads south toward Bryant Park and the New York Public Library, a juxtaposition of tranquil green space and architectural grandeur. Here, the documentary narrative shifts to the city's intellectual legacy. The library, with its iconic lion statues named Patience and Fortitude, holds millions of books and manuscripts, while Bryant Park provides a serene haven where office workers and tourists alike find solace amidst the urban chaos. As you continue south, the imposing silhouette of the Empire State Building comes into view. Standing at 1,454 feet, this architectural marvel was once the tallest building in the world. Its Art Deco design is a testament to the ingenuity of the early 20th century, and its construction during the Great Depression reflects the resilience of New Yorkers in times of hardship. A walking tour here delves into the stories of the workers who braved dizzying heights to create this masterpiece, a symbol of ambition and achievement. Transitioning to the Flatiron District, you encounter the wedge-shaped Flatiron Building, one of New York's first skyscrapers. This area offers a glimpse into the city's architectural evolution, as old and new structures coexist harmoniously. Nearby Madison Square Park serves as a gateway to discussions about the city's green spaces, their historical significance, and their role in fostering community amidst urban sprawl. Heading westward, you enter Chelsea, a neighborhood renowned for its art scene and industrial charm. The High Line, an elevated park built on a former railway track, provides a unique vantage point of the city. Walking along its landscaped paths, you witness the convergence of nature and urban development, a theme that resonates throughout New York. The High Line also serves as a stage for contemporary art, with installations and performances enriching the visitor experience. Further downtown, Greenwich Village offers a stark contrast with its bohemian vibe and rich cultural history. Its tree-lined streets and brownstone houses exude charm, while its legacy as a hub for artists, writers, and activists comes alive in stories about figures like Bob Dylan and Jack Kerouac. The village also played a pivotal role in the LGBTQ+ rights movement, with landmarks like the Stonewall Inn standing as monuments to resilience and progress. The tour takes a poignant turn in the financial district, where the towering skyscrapers of Wall Street symbolize global commerce and capitalism. The New York Stock Exchange and Federal Hall, where George Washington took his oath of office, are powerful reminders of the city's role in shaping the nation's history. Nearby, the 9/11 Memorial and Museum provide a space for reflection, honoring the lives lost and the resilience of a city that united in the face of tragedy. Crossing into Lower Manhattan, Chinatown and Little Italy offer a glimpse into the city's immigrant heritage. In Chinatown, the streets are alive with vibrant markets, authentic cuisine, and cultural traditions that speak to the perseverance of Chinese immigrants who settled here in the 19th century. Little Italy, though diminished in size, retains its charm with old-school eateries and annual festivals like the Feast of San Gennaro, celebrating the contributions of Italian Americans. A walking tour of New York City is more than just a physical journey. It is a documentary brought to life through the sights, sounds, and stories that define this extraordinary place. Each neighborhood, landmark, and street corner offers a chapter in the narrative of a city that continues to inspire and captivate people from around the world.